Let's talk snacks. Not just any snacks, but the ones that bring people together. Those little bites that turn a regular moment into something special. Potato chips, pretzels, these are classics, sure. But have you ever really stopped to think about banana chips? They might not be the first thing you reach for, but they're definitely worth a closer look. At first glance, banana chips seem simple, just slices of banana, right? But their journey from the lush green trees of tropical plantations to the shiny bag in your hand is anything but straightforward. Behind every crunchy bite is a story of hard work, scientific precision, and massive machinery working in perfect harmony. It's a process that combines tradition with cutting-edge technology. Most of us just rip open the bag and start munching, never pausing to consider the mega factories and the teams of people working behind the scenes to make it all possible. These aren't small kitchen operations, they're industrial giants, processing millions of bananas every single day. The scale is almost unimaginable. Conveyor belts snake through the factory carrying banana slices to giant fryers. Robotic arms pack the finished chips with incredible speed and accuracy. Every chip is the result of a finely tuned process, perfected over years of innovation. Banana chips hit that sweet spot, part healthy, part indulgent, and completely unique. They're a snack that stands out in a crowded world of options. They're made from real fruit, but let's be honest. They're also fried to golden perfection and seasoned just right, making them absolutely irresistible. It's a balance of nature and flavor science. In recent years, demand for banana chips has exploded. What started as a regional treat has become a global snack phenomenon, filling supermarket aisles and warehouses around the world. So what does it really take to get from banana tree to snack aisle? The answer is a fascinating blend of agriculture, logistics, and high-tech food engineering. We'll start in the fields, where dedicated farmers nurture these plants for months, carefully harvesting only the perfect fruit at just the right moment. It's a job that requires patience, skill, and a deep connection to the land. Then, we'll head into the factory where nature meets technology. Here, bananas are washed, sliced, fried, and seasoned in a whirlwind of activity that transforms them into the crunchy chips we love. By the end of this journey, you'll never look at a banana chip the same way again. You'll see the care, the science, and the passion that goes into every single bite. You'll witness the hard work, the innovation, and the sheer scale behind every bag. It's a story of people and machines working together to create something delicious. So, are you ready to see how your favorite snack is made? There's a whole world waiting behind that crinkly bag. Let's pull back the curtain on the world of banana chips. Get ready for a behind-the-scenes look you won't forget. From the sun-drenched fields where bananas grow to the buzzing factory floor where they're transformed, it's a journey worth taking. Let's get started and discover the story behind every crunchy bite. Our story begins in the rich, fertile dirt, on sprawling banana plantations that stretch as far as the eye can see. These vibrant green fields are the birthplace of every banana chip you've ever tasted. Surprisingly, these aren't trees. They're actually giant herbaceous plants, towering up to 25 feet tall. Each plant produces just one big, impressive bunch of bananas in its entire lifetime, making every harvest a special event. Every day, dedicated farmers walk the fields, moving between the rows of plants. They act as the first and most important line of quality control, using their experience to spot even the smallest issues before they become problems. One of their key tasks is removing the banana flower. By doing this, they help the plant direct all its energy into growing bigger, more uniform bananas, ensuring each bunch is as healthy and robust as possible. Farmers also carefully prune the leaves, allowing more sunlight to reach the fruit and improving airflow around the plants. This simple act is crucial for preventing disease and keeping the bananas in top condition. Vigilance is key. Farmers constantly check for signs of trouble, whether it's disease, weak stalks, or heavy bunches that need extra support. Their sharp eyes and quick actions keep the plantation healthy. A single bunch can weigh over 100 pounds, so propping up the plants with sturdy poles is essential. Without this support, the heavy fruit could snap the plant, ruining months of hard work. Their expertise doesn't stop at growing. Farmers carefully sort and select only the best bananas, ensuring that only top-quality fruit makes it to the next stage of the journey. Quality truly starts here, with skilled hands and careful cultivation. Every banana is nurtured from the very beginning, setting the stage for the delicious snack it will become. Without these hard-working farmers, there would be no bananas to transform into chips, no crunchy, golden bites to enjoy with friends and family. The journey from soil to snack is a long one, and it all begins with the dedication and care of these growers who nurture each plant from the roots up. They're the unsung heroes behind every crunchy bite, working tirelessly in the sun to bring us the bananas we love. Next, let's see how these farmers protect the precious fruit before it's ready for harvest, ensuring every banana reaches us in perfect condition. On the plantation, you'll spot banana bunches wrapped in blue plastic bags, dotting the landscape like bright blue lanterns among the green leaves. These bags are a common sight in banana farms across the world, and they play a much bigger role than you might think. These aren't for show, they're ingenious, low-tech protection. Farmers carefully slip each bag over the growing bunches, making sure every banana is covered and shielded from the outside world. The bags act as a barrier, shielding bananas from hungry insects, curious birds, and even harsh sun damage. This simple method helps reduce the need for chemical pesticides, making the process more eco-friendly and safer for both the fruit and the environment. The blue color isn't just for looks, it filters sunlight, creating a gentle mini greenhouse effect inside the bag. This controlled environment helps the bananas mature evenly, ensuring each fruit develops the perfect texture and color. Clean, undamaged bananas are crucial for chip quality. Any blemish or bruise can affect the final product, so keeping the fruit pristine is essential for farmers who want to deliver the best. Farmers use these bags to time the harvest perfectly. Bananas for chips must be green and starchy, not ripe and sweet. The bags help slow down ripening, giving farmers more control over when to pick the fruit. This simple tool keeps the fruit clean and safe, making the factory's job easier. When the bags come off, the bananas are spotless and ready for the next step. It's a small detail with a big impact on quality. Bananas grown without bags often show marks or insect bites, while bagged bananas look flawless, perfect for making high-quality chips. When the time is right, farmers check inside the bags for the perfect harvest moment. They look for just the right shade of green and the right firmness, ensuring the bananas are at their peak for processing. The blue bag is a key player in delivering top-notch bananas to the factory. Without it, the journey from farm to chip would be much more challenging. Next, let's see how these heavy bunches make their way from field to factory. It's a process that requires teamwork, strength, and careful handling to keep the bananas in perfect condition. The journey is just getting started. From the fields to the factory, every step is designed to protect quality and deliver the best bananas for your favorite chips. Harvesting bananas is a team effort. One worker cuts, another catches the heavy bunch. Dropping them would mean bruised, unusable fruit. Instead of tossing them in a truck, plantations use overhead cableways, like ski lifts for bananas. Bunches glide above the fields, avoiding bumps and bruises. This system keeps the fruit pristine, ready for chip making. At the collection point, bunches are cut into smaller hands and loaded into crates or trucks. Even transport is carefully managed. Crates are stacked to prevent crushing, and trucks are often cooled to keep bananas green. Every step is about protecting quality. From field to factory gate, it's all about delivering perfect bananas. Now let's see what happens when they arrive at the mega factory. The transformation is about to begin. At the factory, the first stop is inspection. Quality control checks for the right variety, size, and perfect green color. Any bananas that are too ripe or damaged are rejected. Only the best make it through. Next, the bananas get a thorough wash in chlorinated water, removing dirt and sanitizing the fruit. After rinsing, they're moved to a pre-cooling room. Cooling halts ripening, keeping the bananas starchy and firm, ideal for chips. This step ensures the fruit is ready for peeling and slicing. Every detail is about preserving quality and safety. Clean, cool, and green, these bananas are now ready for transformation. The next stage, turning fruit into chips. Let's head to the heart of the factory. The real magic is about to happen. Inside the factory, the bananas are peeled, often by hand, with workers moving at lightning speed. Peeled bananas head straight to slicing machines, which cut them into perfectly uniform discs. Slice thickness is crucial. Too thick, they won't crisp. Too thin, they'll burn. Uniformity ensures every chip cooks the same. Slices drop into a massive industrial fryer. Think a tunnel of hot oil, precisely controlled by computers. The chips emerge golden and crispy, glistening with oil. They travel on vibrating conveyors to shake off excess oil, ensuring a light, crunchy texture. Oil is filtered and reused to minimize waste. The chips are now cooked, but not quite finished. The final, most flavorful step is next. Let's see how these golden slices become the snack you crave. It's time for seasoning. The flavor factory awaits. Fresh from the fryer, banana chips are a blank canvas. They tumble into a giant drum where seasonings are evenly applied. From simple salt to bold flavors like chili lime, the options are endless. Machines ensure every chip gets the perfect coating. Banana chips retain fiber and potassium, and when cooked in quality oils, offer healthy fats. They're often gluten-free, making them a smart snack choice. But remember, moderation is key, as they're more calorie-dense than fresh bananas. Still, compared to other snacks, they offer real fruit benefits and satisfying crunch. That's why banana chips are both delicious and a little virtuous. The chips are now ready for their final journey. Let's see how technology keeps them fresh and safe. Technology powers every step of banana chip production. Computers control temperatures, conveyor speeds, and frying times for perfect consistency. Automation reduces human error and keeps the process running 24/7. Safety is built in. Enclosed fryers, sensors, and metal detectors keep workers and food safe. Robotic arms handle heavy lifting while humans focus on quality control. Packaging machines fill and seal hundreds of bags per minute. Bags are made to protect chips from moisture and light, and some are flushed with nitrogen to keep chips fresh and uncrushed. That puff of air when you open a bag? It's technology at work. Efficiency and safety make banana chips affordable and reliable. The chips are now ready for their final trip. Let's follow them to the store shelf. The last step is packaging and shipping. Automated weighers portion chips into bags which are sealed and coated for traceability. Boxes are packed and stacked by robots, then moved to the warehouse. Logistics software manages inventory, ensuring freshness. From warehouse to distribution centers, then to stores and online retailers, the supply chain is a marvel of efficiency. The goal: get chips from factory to shelf as quickly as possible. Next time you grab a bag, remember its journey, from flower to field, to factory, to you. It's a story of farming, engineering, and logistics. That simple chip is the result of global teamwork and innovation. Enjoy your snack, knowing the incredible effort behind every crunch. Banana chips, more than just a snack, they're a marvel of modern food production.